Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well, doing good and doing great. Greetings are really important before starting the video or before starting anything else. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos. As I know, my regular viewers were waiting for my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So let's start the video. Today I am presenting beautiful, easy, quick and very stylish short straight bob haircut ideas. As you can see how beautifully girls are carrying these hairstyles. These hairstyles are really amazing, gorgeous, very quick, very easy, easy to carry and ready to go anywhere, anytime with fashion hair color and with base color as well. You can go on with your base color as well, or you can go on with fashion color or funky color. It depends on you. Well, I am presenting all those haircut ideas which are going on trending this season. So, 2025 haircut ideas are in this video. You can select your favorite one haircut and hairstyle of straight short bob haircut ideas from this video. Just take a screenshot or download the video or go to your hairstylist, and after getting this hairstyle which you select for yourself, you can also share with me through comment section that which haircut you select from this video. If you like the video, you can appreciate me through comment section, and also you can share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. And also you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend. These all haircuts are for those girls who wanted to keep updated with fashion and trend. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourself, and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. God bless you all. Remember me in your prayers and have a great hair day.